yourself. I just came by to pick up some stuff. I'm not even staying at Donna's
Di ba pala
anymore.
gusto? Kala ko busda. Hi, Sha. Oh? Shy ka pala?
Okay.
Sa tulog na tulog, eh.
Don't now, so I'm gonna
Close up
stay.
natin.
Okay?
Tulog na tulog.
I gotta go.
Oh.
No, please, Johnny, what are you doing? This woman, she's not even
Oh, kunwari, tulog. Eh, sigara.
Nanonood ako.
Oh. Boss, tulog na tulog eh.
What?
Oh, seryosong nanonood.
Holy shit, girl.
Pagod na ba? Pagod na.
Nakasama mo.
Bulaga. Tulog ka. Hi. Oh?
Alive pa rin to.
Alive. Alive daw siya. Alive. Oh? Pabuntak pa ng mukha mo. Yeah.
Something to get boy. This time I'm doing it.
Tatakit pa, tulog na. Oh, pagod na pagod. Aking kagrupo, pagod na pagod.
Naantok na ako. Ang tagal naman ako.
Oh?
It's always stuff to think.
Close up na natin.
I'm 13 years old because I remember I
Yeah.
for adoption. They called him second in my junior high.
Yeah.
This guy who played
Close up na natin tayo.
success and making me
Pinali tayo niya, no?
Oo.
21 lang, isang sahod.
Okay.
Sahod lang pala. Tsaka limang overtime.
Anong nangyari? Kaway naman dyan.
Okay naman dyan, ha?
Yeah.
Kahit pagod. Kahit
Ulit
pagod.
daw, ulit. Oh, patras tayo, patras.
Okay, sheshe.
Yeah. Yung isa,
Sheshe, ni Benny.
tayong lockdown.
Pagod, sinisipon.
So I listened really to stuff right in my mind.
Dapat dinala natin mga
Is
istro.
love. To believe in this stuff.
Experience no military, no resume,
Gusto po silang lahat.
and now you run
Pagod. Okay, itong dalawang to, gising na gising pa. Isa lang pala. Sabi na yung isa.
Okay. Well, you need to learn how to
Lalo na to, gising na gising.
computer skills. Most of our secretaries have
Nalunod pa!
specialized in law. Need to sound harsh, but very
Alam mo, lulusot ka.
Yeah, I see.
Laki ng
Daytona Beach, and that looks great. It must be wonderful. Can I tell you something? When the
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck you. You don't fucking know me.
Great, that's crazy. I'm so sorry I didn't hire you before. Leslie, could you please escort Miss... I don't even know her name. Of course, she doesn't have a resume. Out.
You don't need a fucking escort, you piece of shit. What, you think I'm a fucking retard? Take your fucking job and fucking shove it. Fuck you, Leslie.
All you need is love and to believe in yourself.
Pare, nagpapagod ka.
It doesn't exactly work out that way.
Kahit ito lalo, bagsak na to.
Flat out lying. It's not true. 13.
Oh, isa pa to.
Pagod. Fuck himself. Kiss my fucking sweet ass and come out of the fucking door just like that, man. That nobody's fucking ever talked to like that in his whole life. Fucking office job. Who the fuck wants a job like that? You fucking sit at a little desk, you got your little phone, you got your little fucking piece of paper. Two more.
Mike, Al says I can't give you another tail.
Cubby, how long have I fucking been a customer here? Will you cut me some fucking slack here? Get me two more. You lazy bastard. It's no big deal, man.
Si Olan. Pagod na eh. Pagod na si Dudes. Tara, kaway naman dyan. Kainan na tayo, kainan.
Lalagyan na natin ang mga kamag-anak.
Huwag binibidyo ko, hindi ako umiinom. Biblia ang nahawakan ko. Ayos, pagkakasama pa rin tayo. Ganito na lang, okay? Pagkatapos, gusto niya mag-style, swimsuit, and then after that, itong room ko, pare, doon kayo, hindi namin kayo, dito kayo, diba? O, sisilipin na Ma'am kayo. Si Star Trek! Ito na, okay, papasok kami sa room namin. Pwede kang pumasok para makita mo ang namin. Ito ang room namin. Okay, dito kami mamaya magpapahinga. Okay. Sleeping Beauty. Okay. Pasensya na, hindi gano'n na ayos pa. Okay. Hi. Enjoy kami ngayong araw na ito. Halika, Evie. Star Trek. Halika na.
307. Yan po ang bed namin. Okay.